students. Today I am Suman, and today we will discuss class 9 physics chapter 1 motion. This is the last part. Previous part we have been seeing the different kinds of equation of motion. First equation of motion, second equation of motion, third equation of motion we have been already proved by graphical method. Here we will see the next topic, uniform circular motion. Before uniform circular motion, we will know what is circular motion. Circular motion means when an object revolves around a circular path. The motion of the object is known as circular motion. Uniform circular path means this, as you are watching here, this is a circular path and R is the radius of this circular path, and the object is starting from A and reaches to V with uniform velocity V. So when this object revolves in this path or moves in this path, the motion of the object is uniform circular motion. And now uniform circular motion. Uniform circular motion means when the object revolves or moves on a circular path uniformly, then the motion of the object is uniform circular motion. And what is the velocity of the equation of the velocity or motion of the object when it's revolve around the circular path? Velocity v equal to, as we know that distance upon velocity equal to distance upon time. So when the object moves on a circular path, what is the distance? Because it is not in linear, the path is not linear, it is curvilinear path. So here for distance we will measure the circumference of the circle. Circumference, because the path is circular, so we will find out the circumference. So velocity equal to distance upon time, and suppose that an object is starting from A and reaches again point A, then this is one complete rotation or one complete revolution around the circular path, around its fixed point. And the distance from A to A is circumference, and the formula of circumference of the circle is 2 pi r by t. So what is the velocity of the object when moves on circular path? It is 2 pi r by t. Now 2 pi t, this value is known as omega and r. So velocity of the object when it moves on a circular path is omega r, where omega equal to 2 pi by t. Omega equal to 2 pi by t, and this is the constant value, 2 pi by t. This is omega. Omega means when the object moves on a circular path, and there are so many examples of the motion of the object in circular path. Earth revolve around the sun. Earth revolve around the sun is an example of the circular motions. Okay, so now we will see some numericals which is based on the equation of motion. First equation of motion, second equation of motion, and third equation of motion. So as this type your chapter has been finished. Circular uniform circular motion is the last topic of this chapter, and now we will solve some numerical which is based on the motion equation of motion of the chapter. Now here I will give some questions, some numericals. An object moves initial velocity 15 meter per second and reaches the final velocity 25 meter per second during the time 5 seconds. So what is the acceleration of the object during this journey? So we have u 15 meter per second, velocity v 25 meter per second, and time t is 5 seconds. So we will use here first equation of motion. So first equation of motion is v equal to u plus at. And we will put all these values. Value of v is 25, u is 15, a we have to find, and t is 5. So this 15 will come this side. So 25 minus 15 equal to 5a. Therefore a equal to 25 minus 15, 10 by 5. 5 to the 10. Therefore acceleration equal to 2 meter per second square. So this is the numericals when the initial velocity of the object is 15 meter per second, final velocity is 25 meter per second, and time is 5 seconds. Then we will find out the acceleration. What is the acceleration of the object? So we will put all this quantity in this first equation of motion. Now in the same question we will find out during this time how much distance traveled by this object. How much distance? So here we have u, we have v, we have p, and we have a. Now distance, we will use the distance, means second equation of motion. Second equation of motion is s equal to ut plus half at square. Ut plus half at square. Here we will put all this value. U is 15, t time is 5 seconds, 1 by 2, a we have 2 meter per second square, and t is again 5 seconds, so 5 square. 2 is cancelled. 15 into 5 75 plus 5 square 25, total 100 meter. So during this interval of time the object covers 100 meter distance. If the initial velocity of the object is 15 meter, final velocity is 25 meter, and time is 5 seconds. Now we'll see the next question. Next question, which is based on the second equation of motion. Here you are watching the second equation of motion, and the next question we'll see the third equation of motion. What is third equation of motion? Third equation of motion is v square equal to u square plus 2as. This is the b square equal to u square plus 2as. Suppose that an object whose initial velocity is 5 meter per second, final velocity is 10 meter, final velocity is 10 meter per second, and its accelerate 2 meter per second, 2 meter per second square. So how much distance traveled by the object with this physical quantity? So we will put all this value in the first equation of motion. In place of v, we will write 10 u square means 5 square plus 2 into 2 into s. 100, 10 square means 100, 5 square means 25 plus 2 to the 4 into s, 4s. So this 25 will come this side. So 100 minus 25 equal to 4s. Now s equal to 75 by 4 meter, and it will, when we convert in decimal, so 18.75 meter. So we will solve the third equation. The equation will solve the numericals which is based on the third equation of motion. First we will see all the kinds of the quantity, and we will write, first we will write the quantities, and then we will put all the value of the quantity in this equation. Now we will see another question which is based on this equation of motion, or uniform circular motion. Suppose that one object which is starting from A and reaches to point D, starting from A on circular path and reaches the point on circular path is D, and the radius of this circular path is 10 meter, and the time taken by the object from A to D is 5 seconds. So what is the velocity of the object on this circular path? So the velocity of the object here will use the equation of circular motion. So equation of circular motion means V equal to 2 pi r by t, and we will put all this value. 2 pi means 22, 2 into 22 by 7, and r is 10, and time is 5 seconds, 5. So 5 to the 10 meter per second. 4 into 22, 88 by 7 meter per second. So if the object starting from A and reaches to B of radius 10 meter, and this distance traveled by the object in 5 seconds, then the velocity of the object is 88.7 meter. So you will solve the numericals problem which is based on the equation of motion or circular motion. We will see all the kinds of equation, and next this types your chapter has been finished. We will see the next chapters and the next day. Thank you.